Hey pals, what up? Welcome to Snor's Kitchen. Today we're gonna cook bistek.
What up? This is Snor's Kitchen.
So what can I say about bistek? Bistek is of course a beef dish. It has calamansi in it and some soy sauce and has a lot of garlic and onions in it. It's one of my favorites and I like bringing it to work. And also, like, I really loved bringing it to school before when I was a kid. So it's something that I really like to cook when I'm homesick. So of course, we're starting off with sauteing the garlic and onions. We already had our beef marinated. We have also saved some onion rings here for later. And it looks like the garlic and onions are ready. So we're gonna jump right into it. So for this episode, we're using Sukiyaki cut beef because it's nice because it's really thinly sliced and it really, like, the flavor gets into the beef. And so we're kind of struggling here, but let's put it in there. I'm gonna save the marinade for later. There's gonna be a little bit left there, but I'm gonna save it anyway because I'm gonna go over once the beef gets a little bit more cooked. I'm gonna try to spread the beef evenly here so that it gets more evenly cooked as well. So one of the things I learned about cooking Filipino food is, like, you want to try to make it fast, but then sometimes it really takes a lot of patience. Like even just the sauteing, like my dad says, like, you gotta make sure that your garlic and onions are sauteed well, otherwise like the flavors don't come out as well. Same goes with like the beef here. Like you want to make sure that you cook it just right, but also you don't want to get it too dry as well. But I'm sure like the sauce in it kind of prevents that as well. So that's also why I like to bring it for work, because you know, even if you heat it up, like in the microwave, it doesn't get really that dry because it has the sauce in it. And of course, it goes great with rice. So that's how I made our bistek. Thanks for watching. Be a pal, like this video, subscribe for more Snor.